Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a branch and also how to delete a repository from your GitHub account. This is part of the GitHub series that I'm working on, and you can watch the rest of the videos by checking the channel's playlist. Okay, here I am in the landing page of my account, and to delete a branch I need to go to a one repository that has many branches. In this case, this Python repository has two. As you can see, it has master and feature branch. Then how can I delete a branch? As you can see from here, there is no branch tab or anything, but here you can see two branches in this label. So you can click on it and it will be displayed all the branches in your repository. So here I have the feature branch, and to delete it, I can click on the trash bin here, and it's now deleted, as you can see. Okay, if you go back to the code section, you will see now only one branch because the other one was deleted. Okay, then how can I delete a repository? Here I need to select the repository that I want to delete, and here we need to select the settings option, and from the left menu we need to click on the general, which is the landing page, and at the bottom in the danger zone you need to click on the delete this repository option. Here is the button. Here there is a disclaimer where it says that it cannot be undone, so please be very careful with this option. You need to specify the account and the repository name. Then you need to click on the button here. Okay. Then if I go back to my repository sections, I have 6. The other repository that I had is no longer here, so it was deleted. This is how you can delete branches and also delete repositories. This is all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.